Practicing yoga is known to improve flexibility, balance, endurance, and physical strength, while meditation helps to keep the mind sharp and clear. Yoga is a wonderful exercise that feels less like exercise and more like loving and respecting one's body. Through yoga, kids learn to live in the moment and focus on what they are doing at that moment. Hello everyone. We at Nagin Group of Schools focus on training the students from a very early age by inculcating yoga in their daily routine to ensure a healthy mind and body. Through this video, we'll learn to quieten the busy minds. Meditation is an extreme form of concentration. It allows your mind to focus on one thing and detaches you from all worldly things. It is believed that all the divine powers live in your heart, and meditation is the only route to dive deep into your heart. Yoga is a type of exercise which helps in learning physical and mental discipline through regular practice, which we at Nagin Group of Schools regularly do it. Meditation, yoga, and other mindfulness practices are popping up in school systems for good reasons. Teaching kids mindfulness practice can build students' attentiveness, respect for fellow classmates, self-control, and empathy, reducing hyperactive behavior and ADHD symptoms. Mindfulness is achieved by focusing awareness on the present moment when children are focusing on their breath and poses. Mindful breathing is a form of meditation, which is a wonderful relaxation method. Now coming to different asanas. Padmasana. Padmasana is a seated asana. It is made up of two words, Padma and Asana. Padma means lotus. In this asana, the body resembles the lotus flower, and it is also said that practicing Padmasana helps the body to blossom like a lotus. Yoga Mudra. Yoga Mudra, which means position. While some mudras involve the entire body, most are performed with the hands and fingers to lock and guide energy flow and reflexes to the brain. Butterfly pose. It is a seated pose, just like the wings of the butterfly, that strengthens and stretches the abdominal region and improves the blood circulation. Trikonasana. Trikon, a Sanskrit word, means triangle. In this asana, the body makes the shape of a triangle. Tadasana. Tad in Sanskrit means palm tree. This asana is called Tadasana because in this the body imitates a palm tree. This tree is known for its height and also for being vertically straight. Hence, it has been named Tadasana. Thank you. Stay fit, stay healthy.